Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Lisa and this is Hobby Beauty. Today we're going to be doing back to school makeup, the look you see here, as well as talking about this BH Cosmetics Illusion palette, and I'm using everything from my drugstore section of my makeup collection. So everything I bought, I've gotten either at Ulta or the drugstore, and they're all drugstore price items. So let's get into it. Alright, it's been a hot minute since I filmed something. So today I'm going to start with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, full coverage foundation. And I'm going to take that on my Real Techniques brush, also from the drugstore. I'm just going to blend that into the skin. So yeah, it's been a crazy few weeks. Been going through some health stuff, and I've been getting ready for the wedding, which is coming up in, oh my gosh, like 30 days. So that is why I haven't been on here as much lately. It's getting down to the wire. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wedding planning is no joke. I can understand why people hire other people to plan, because it is just crazy the amount of things. And I'm not doing it alone. I have help. My mom's helping. My future mother-in-law's helping. But still, it's stressful, to say the least. So I'm just putting that. So yeah, school's starting up again. And this is a really nice foundation to wear on school days, because it's full coverage and it just, you don't have to worry about it fading during the day. It's gonna last you for a long time. So that was the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop full coverage foundation, and I'm in the shade Buff. So next I have two concealer shades from Colourpop, one in light 18 and one in light 14. I think I'm gonna go in with the light 18. I'm going to use my Colourpop stripling brush. Blend that into the skin. So yeah, it's just the final details are so important, but so tedious that it's gotta get done. Next I'm gonna go on my eyelids with that, with leftover makeup from earlier today. But I'm using this as like a primer. So yeah, there's a lot of new stuff in makeup that I want to talk about in my next video. Okay, for brows, I'm going to use my Ride or Die light brown brow pencil, or brow gel, Brow Boss gel. Just kind of filling them in with that, because my brows are pretty even without it. So just gives them a little more volume. Don't really need a pencil. Okay. Now, I showed you a little bit. We're going to use the BH Cosmetics Illusion palette. That's what she looks like here. We're going to go for more of the nude tones here. Maybe some of the glitters. We'll see how they do. Okay. I'm going into my JH30 brush. And I'm going to pick up, they don't even have shade names on them. That's disappointing. I'm going to pick up this shade here in the corner. Let's see if it'll flip back. This shade here in the corner. It's kind of like a mauve. Dusty mauve shade. That's actually really pretty. You know, all these things that I'm showing you, like the title says, can be found at the drugstore or Ulta, depending on where you live, what area you're in. I got a lot of these at Ulta in the drugstore section. Or like my lip that I'm going to do later. It's from Flower Beauty, which I think is at Walmart. But I also got that at Ulta, I think. So that, we're just adding that shade in. Next I'm going to take my Morphe 330 brush and I'm going to go into this brown shade here. I will say they have, this is like a travel, was in like the end cap section, the travel, you know, right at the end when you check out section of Ulta. But they do kind of have really small pan sizes, which some people might hate, some people might love. I don't really have a preference when it comes to pan sizes as long as they are uniform and they're not all like, you know, all over the pan or the cardboard and a weird like configuration. But I'd say I probably prefer, I don't know, circular or square pans that are in kind of this square format, not really like the long ones like the Naked palettes or anything. Those kind of, I'm not as big of a fan of. So then we're gonna take this Morphe brush. I don't even know it came in a brush set. It doesn't have a number on it. We're gonna take some concealer. We're gonna do that to the other side. What I like to do is go back into that, clean up the edges with my 330 brush. So this is turning into a little bit of a cool tone look. Next, we are going to go into our favorite, one of my favorite brushes, the JH14. And I'm going to go into this rosy shade. Pinky shade, I should say. Oh yeah, that's pink. Getting some fallout. I should have done my eyes first. Brush away the fallout. My JH43 brush. And I'm going to put that purpley mauve shade on my waterline. Okay. Next I'm going to go into my Flower Beauty Bare Honey liquid lipstick. I don't know if those colors really go together, but next I'm going to BFF mascara. This stuff is great. I love it when palettes have mirrors in them. And that's my finished look. Hope you all enjoyed. I had a great time using the Illusion palette. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.